Hello everyone. Today I would like to demo a template to recreate Big Data Research Laboratory website using HTML5, CSS3, Bootstrap 3, JavaScript, jQuery 1.11.2. The contents of this template are taken from the current website. Significant feature of this template is the responsiveness. I will start the template by first looking at the navigation bar, which has projects, publications, alumni, wiki, and contact links. Each link navigates to the particular section respectively. As you can see, project navigates to that particular section. Similarly, for publication, alumni, and contact, but the wiki links opens a website in the new tab. The logo takes us to the top of the page, as you can see. First, we will look at the announcements section, which shows us the latest update for this particular website, which gets highlighted. Next is the image slider, which currently shows 3 slides, which rotates automatically at particular duration. Next is theme section, which is some brief description about the teammates, starting with Dr. Lu, and some brief description about him. Next are the other team members, their image, name, research interest, and a link to the home page, which opens in a new tab. Similarly, the description about the other team members is highlighted as such. Next is the project section with details about the project, their image, their name, some brief description about them, and a link to that website, which opens in a new tab. There is a download button available for tools which are linked in this particular fashion. Next is the publication section, which lists all the paper in chronological order. Now we move on to the alumni section. As you can see, clicking on the alumni link on the top takes us to that section. Here we have the list of all the contributors and their home page. Next is the contact section with Google Maps and address and contact details with some links to the social account. And at the bottom we have the footer section. Clicking on the logo takes us to the top of the page. Now we can test the responsiveness of this site. As you can see, we have some tools that can help us to resize the resize the layout. As you can see, this particular layout is for Apple iPhone 7 Plus, which is for this portrait layout. This is small tablet layout. So here we can see the navigation bar is resized automatically based on the layout of the device. Next is the announcement content is layout as per the device. Also, the image sliders are resized based on the device layout, so there is no need for additional images based on the device layout. The content of the team members are automatically sequentially aligned so that it fits perfectly to the device layout. Similarly, for project information, the details of the project are sequentially aligned to the device with the publications content is also automatically aligned to the device layout. And at the bottom, we can see the alumni information with the contributor details written in sequential manner. And at the bottom, we have the contact section also aligned based on the device layout. So this reflects the responsiveness of the template. Now I would like to showcase you some of the projects that I worked on while I was at Investis to reflect my expertise in the front-end development. First, I would like to show you Sense PLC. This site had over 1,000 pages, which was managed single-handedly by me. Some of the significant features of this website is the homepage banner slider, which had the header and links respect to the banners. And if we see at the bottom, we had videos which opened in a pop-up screen which can be played.
Today, Thanks Group.
Next web page which I would like to show is the board and executive, which had the snap-down. If you look at the Investor Center, there is a inbuilt video in the page which can be played. One of the key features
Today,
of
Thanks Group
this
PLC report their
website
interim
is the
results for the
image
period.
gallery, which had images that could be viewed in a slider in such fashion. Next site is Anglo-American. It had many group sites, for example, Australian. The key features of this site were the media video section, which had pop-up videos. Next big project was ArcelorMittal that had regional website. One of them was the ArcelorMittal USA, which is this one. The significant feature of this website was this slider. Now, this was one of the projects which I have managed single-handedly by completely revamping the site. And lastly, I would end the demo with the British 10 website, which shows the magnitude of the exposure I had at Investis as a front-end developer. These are some of the pages of the British 10. As you can see, the result and presentation and the report section, which I have worked on. So yeah, thanks.